Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and use the circle to search feature on older Android phones. So even if you are still using Android 11, Android 12 or other older versions like me, you can still enjoy this feature. Like if your phone doesn't have the official circle to search built in, don't worry, there's an easy workaround using a free app from the Play Store. So let's get started. First, just go to Play Store and then just search for the circle to search until you find this app like this, and then next just install it. And after the installation is complete, just open the app like this, and then next just tap on via actions or gesture, and then next just click on agree like this, and then go to settings and go to installed services, tap on circle to search, and then just enable it like this, tap on allow, and then just make sure the circle to search shortcut option is enabled too. Once this is active, you will see a small accessibility button appear in the bottom right corner of your screen like this. This button will let you turn circle to search on or off anytime, which makes it very easy to use. And then next, just go back to the circle to search app like this, and then just tap on the floating button. And on here you can customize the shortcut icon, like you can adjust the size, change the transparency or opacity, and then just you can move the button anywhere on your screen like this. Just position it wherever you feel comfortable so it doesn't block your view. And okay, now let's test it out. Whenever you want to search something on your screen, just simply tap on the accessibility button like this, and then the button will appear. Just tap it, and then next just draw a circle around the text or object that you curious about, for example like this. And okay, just like that, Google will instantly search it for you like this. And okay, that's it. Now you can enjoy circle to search on older Android device without needing a new phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.